teacher has a big role in the teaching-learning process wherein they mold, craft, create, and produce a productive individuals.
There were a good and a bad teachers, which they can affect and touch the lives of the learners.
Let's find out what are the differences between the good and a bad teacher. To understand what is the differences of a good and a bad teacher, let us know the characteristics of a good teacher. A good teacher has a competence in a subject matter. The instructor must have hands-on, technical, and professional experience in order to teach others a technical skill. Second, mastery of the techniques of instruction and evaluation. The instructor must be able to apply the principles, methods, and techniques of instruction and evaluation in the classroom. Third, a good teacher has a desire to teach. This is a very important factor for a good instructor. The attitude of the instructor towards teaching and the trainees is crucial. The instructor requires motivation to teach. To be motivated is to have an inner drive to achieve something. Fourth, a good teacher has a resourcefulness and creativeness. A resourceful and creative instructor is one who is prepared for the unexpected. This involves improvising or designing teaching aids and situations which are not only attractive but help to simplify even the most complicated material for learners to understand easily. Fifth, a good teacher has attentiveness to trainee needs. Being attentive to trainee needs includes recognizing the difficulties that may be faced by the learner. A good instructor caters for individual differences and needs in the presentation of the lesson. Sixth, a good teacher has a management techniques. Classroom management is an important responsibility of the instructor. This includes obtaining and distributing supplies and equipment, keeping records, making reports, and accomplishing a number of other administrative details prior to the start of actual teaching. 7. A good teacher has a professional attitude. The instructor as a professional needs both self-respect and respect for the profession. Everything an instructor says and does, as well as the manner in which it is done, reflects professional attitude. Lastly, a good teacher has the ability to develop good personal relations. Instructors, students, and supervisors need to get along and relate to each other well. Instructors need to avoid negative traits like using abusive, derogatory, or sarcastic language to trainees, both within and outside the classroom.
On the other hand, bad teachers characterized in this following. A bad instructor. First,
created using Powtoon.